Hey Slayers, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment below. Let's get into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. I've been so wrapped up doing other things. I was dog sitting this weekend, so it was a lot. But welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey best friend. If not, hey best friend, I missed you. Mwah. So today you guys are actually getting a 2-for-1. I don't know why I just did that, but whatever. I'm doing my unboxing with me. There's something flying. Okay. I'm doing an unboxing video with my Boxy Charm add-ons that I got. Ooh, waiting on my October box to get here, so I'm super stoked about that. And I recently became a barista babe with the company CoffeeOverCardio, so that's super exciting. I'll share that little tidbit with you guys also. So if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Let's get into it. So first, with my Boxy Charm add-ons, I didn't even know this was a thing, y'all. I'm super stoked about it. You know, so exciting. Okay, so first I want to get into these masks because, of course, you need your mask in these times now, you know. And I was like, okay, I have like the plain basic ones. I have like a Black Lives Matter one with like little rhinestones on it, which is cute, you know. But I was like, I need some more masks just to switch up. And of course, I have some from Boxy Charm. So this one is the Boxy Charm, the white one with the red lips on it. Super comfortable. I like it because it doesn't like drag my ear down, because some of the masks that I have, they're like holding my ear down and it kind of starts to hurt there. But these are pretty comfortable actually, and I love that I can just wash them. With the rhinestone one that I have, I hand wash that. Just because I don't want it to, you know, get too damaged after wearing it so long. Then I have this lovely little beauty here. Lovely. You hear me there? Oh, this is so cute. I always wanted masks like this, like shaped this way. So I got the big Boxy Charm logo here, and then Boxy Charm logo everywhere over here. And the strings are a lot thinner than this one. So this one's like the thicker one, and then this was the smaller one. I still like this one. It feels comfortable. If I had to choose, if I have like a mask with the different, I guess like the strings that go around the ear, I would prefer this one. But this one isn't that bad. It's not like uncomfortable for me at all. But I like this one because it's kind of thinner. But anyway, I also have, first, I've never even heard of this company, but I was on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Shae's Beauty. And I heard about them because, you know, I'm into doing makeup and skincare and all that good stuff with you guys. And this one is by Bakerie. I thought this was so cute, y'all. Can you see? Bakerie. It is highlight, and I love that it comes in like a little ice cream like container. I don't know, it was just super cute. And I'm gonna open it up for y'all. Oh, it started flying everywhere. You can see it a little bit. I'm gonna try to get close. Okay, there you go. If y'all can see that a little bit, I like it. I think it's really, really chill. Okay, I'm opening it for the first time this way. And then it's look like you have like the little sections of where it come out. I'm gonna put it back on there because y'all, today I've been really dropping stuff. I was eating a salad today. I took the little label off, put the top back on. I didn't snap the top on, so I shook it, right? I'm shaking it, getting all the juices going for my salad, my chef salad. Y'all, why did the ranch fly everywhere? I was like, come on now. I was about to dig into this salad, say my little grace or whatever, you know. And boom, I was like, you know what? I'm going to bed. I'm not even dealing with it. But I dealt with it. Ate a good salad. It was bomb. Woo! Shout out to that raspberry lemonade I drank. It was good, y'all. Anyway, look, me getting sidetracked. Whew, I just had to tell y'all about that because today was just, it was doing too much. But anywho, I have some lip gloss here. This is by Smashbox. See. And this one is the Gloss Angels in Surf Bunny. I almost said Sun Bunny, but Surf Bunny. I'm gonna put, I actually have, you saw a little gloss. I actually have this one on now. This one's by Morphe. It's the shimmy one, but I'm gonna see if I can top coat for you guys. Ooh, I like that. And they do smell good, y'all. You know, I love smelling stuff. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh. Y'all already know. I'll be so excited. But anyway, I got some lip gloss here. My other one is by MAC. I used to have one by MAC. I don't even know what it was called, but it's kind of like this. And I don't think it had the shimmer in it, but I feel like this is it. They just revamped it. But anywho, this one is Tangerine Tropica. And this is by MAC. Dazzle Glass is what it says under there. And this one's super cute too. I don't know what happened just now. But I like to just, you know, dip it in there a little bit. And I like the wand on this one. So let me put the other ones down here for like a second. The other two had the flatter wand. I'm just going to demonstrate. Flatter wand. Well, not demonstrate, but I'll show y'all. These two have the flat wand. So I'm just going to pull one out. And it looks like that, the flatter wand, than the pointed one. So I don't know. I don't really have a preference there. But they're super cute. I guess I can like mix them up. And these are kind of like shimmery together. So we'll see. I just flip them and dip them, you know, whatever. Also, I have here a Smashbox palette. I've never had Smashbox products before. There we go. And this one, I love it because it's like a little hologram going on up in there. See that cute? This one is their Cover Shot Desert Eyeshadow palette. And I'm opening. Ooh. Do y'all see the disrespect? Oh my God. Okay. Oh, why it's so gross. But anywho, I can definitely do some fall looks with these colors here. I'm loving it, real cute. So I'm definitely gonna get into that for y'all coming soon. Also have here some beauty blenders. Oh, look at this gloss, y'all. Oh, best friend, did you subscribe? Did you comment below what's your favorite product is so far? Did you give it a thumbs up? Okay, best friend, you got it. You already know. All right. So these are by the Creme shop, and they are so cute. Let me see here. Okay, I love how soft they are. Yeah, they're real soft. It's like a baby pink. Let me see if I can show y'all. Can I get into that a little bit? Just a little bit. This one's more pinkish though. It's kind of like this color here, but it's a little bit, you know, super cute. I like that this one is more angled. I can really get in there. And this one is too, so we're gonna have fun with these. And y'all know I had the other one from Billion Dollar Brow. Or is it Billion Dollar Brow? Let me check. Hold up. Let me see, y'all. Let me see. Let me double check. Billion Dollar Beauty. That's what it was, y'all. And I have that. I haven't tried that one just yet. Or the other ones. I think I had like a Huda Beauty product in there. I haven't been able to try any of them really, but that's okay. We'll get into it. We're gonna make some time to get into it and have some fun with it and see what we can do. Lastly, here for my Boxy Charm add-ons is the Grace and Stella. These are eye masks, and they come in 12 pair in the box. I love it says good choice on the front. So crazy. Boxy Charm. Y'all crazy. I'm gonna take a couple out. They all look like they say the same thing. It's like an energy drink for your eyes, like energy drink for your eyes. Yeah, okay. So they all say the same thing, but this is what they look like. Super cute. I'm definitely gonna try to put one of these on, especially doing my skincare routine. So I might do that. Probably, if not tonight, I'll definitely do it tomorrow night, but we're gonna see. So I've never had any of these products except for the MAC lip gloss and Morphe. So everything else is new for me. I'm super excited to try it out. I don't like to just rush through my beauty blenders. I like to give them a little time, you know. And I'm just going to save the other ones, but I don't know. I might do a giveaway. What y'all think? Let me know, best friend. So, next is my CoffeeOverCardio unboxing. I told y'all it was a 2-for-1. And in this box, let's see. Okay. Ooh, all right, y'all. Now, if you don't know already, I love coffee. If you follow me on Instagram, you will definitely see me having a cup of coffee. And this one is Messy Bun. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I love the decorations on it. Super cute. And it has a little message on the back. It's like a little story. Super cute. It says, I don't want buns of steel. I want buns of cinnamon. Oh. Okay. Okay. I see that. I see that. And first of all, it says here, it's gluten-free, non-GMO, clean energy, and 0 calories. So that's 4 checks for me already. And then with the brand, it's run by a woman. Like, if you don't know, now you know, because I'm telling you, I love women empowerment. I'm all for it. Go sister, sister, girl. Okay? So this is super amazing for me. And I was like, what? I think her name is Abby, the CEO. She's super sweet. And I was just like, okay, this is a good group of women, you know? Like, we can empower each other, uplift each other, and just be there for each other, you know? And that's what I'm about. Uplifting one another, helping you get to the top, and you help me get to the top too, you know? So I'm going to open it up so we can sniff, you know. Ooh, yeah, I can smell it already. Okay, Messy Bun. Talk about cinnamon. Cinnamon bun, I can see that. It's light roast also. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is it. Oh, this is it, y'all. Oh, get into it, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna have a discount code coming for y'all. Already know. I am loving it. Okay. Oh, birthday cake. Oh, and it say cake. Give me some Rihanna vibes. All right. Let me stop, y'all. Let me stop, because y'all know I'll be getting beside myself. Anyway, this is birthday cake. It's also a light roast, and it also says the same on the side about gluten-free, non-GMO, clean energy, and 0 calories. I was gonna say no calories, but 0 calories sound better. And on the back it says, I eat cake because it's somebody's birthday somewhere. Oh, okay, like, who don't love cake? And I like that birthday cake ice cream. Like, I don't know the name of it. If you know the name of it, if you know what I'm talking about, comment below and let me know. I don't know it, but it's like, it tastes like ice cream. I don't know if it's like whipped buttermilk. I don't know, but it's good. I had it for my birthday a couple years ago. Y'all know. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Now, this one, let me open this so I can sniff. Oh, okay. I like this one. I think I'm gonna try birthday cake first, y'all. All right, and let me see. Oh yeah, this end of discussion. That's all I needed to know. I'll definitely be trying this one. I love it. I'm gonna go and get me some outfits and everything, because they do sell more than just coffee, even though that's their main, you know, product. They have shirts and mugs and just everything, you know, to go with your cup of coffee in the morning. So I'm definitely gonna have to go cop me some items there. And you know, once I cop the items, I'm gonna tell y'all so y'all can see, y'all can look, everything. But I think that was everything for this video, y'all. It was short and quick, I hope. I didn't want to take much of y'all time, but I know y'all be loving me and I love y'all too. And it's just been so long since I talked to y'all, so I needed to, you know, get some things off my chest. And I just thank y'all for watching this video. Let me make sure I got everything. Okay, yeah, I'm good, y'all. Everything is cool. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time, best friend. Mwah.